welcome back to my channel for another video. I'm super duper excited that you guys tune in for this video because this is going to be my series for Christmas. As you already seen the previous video that I posted, which was my morning routine. If you have not seen it, please go ahead. The link will be in the bio or will be just plainly on my channel. But today is a fun video because it's going to be part of my Christmas series, and this is going to be a collaboration with two of my beautiful friends here on YouTube. I have Tangie and also Linda, the beautiful Linda. But yes, we are going to go ahead and decorate our entryway, as you can see behind me, for Christmas, and I can't wait for you guys to see everything that they have done and also what I have done here in my home. I'm going to leave all the information for Linda and Tangie down below. I'm telling you guys, their channel is awesome. We are going to elaborate on that further, but without further ado, let's get into the video, guys. Let's go. Listen, guys, if you want to fall in love with Christmas again, head on to Tangie's channel. This is her Christmas. Listen, I'm so overwhelmed with her home. Every time she posts a video, I'll be first to check her out. Same as Linda, because they have extravagant decoration. Look at all of those red and white and natural Christmas decor. I'm telling you, you will love her channel. This is Tangie's channel. I will leave everything down below for you so that you can go ahead and enjoy. Please let her know Gladys sent you. Show her some love. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that notification bell so that you don't miss any of her video, guys.
Drinking hot wine by the fire, don't care of anything else. It's Christmas.
So now, this is Linda's channel. As you guys know, I have done a collaboration with Linda. This is going to be our third collaboration, and I'm obsessed with her home. I love the color she's using this year for Christmas. I can't wait for you guys to see her entryway. More videos will be coming on her channel for her Christmas series as well. But so far, this is going to be one of many. So go ahead, show her some love. Let her know Gladys sent you, and we are going to go ahead and get deep in each of our videos. So when you're done watching my video, head on to their channel, leave a comment below, let them know that I sent you, and show them some love. Let's go, guys. What it looks like with nothing already decorated, just simple, with a couple of books from the Dollar Tree and this flower, which I added these cotton stems on there for fall, which I need to remove. On the ground, just my rug. But yeah, this is what it looks like with nothing there. So let's get to decorating.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling.
So I hope you are enjoying watching the video so far. For those who don't know me, my name is Gladys. I'm a mama of 3 in this channel. I try to show you guys how to live minimally by decorating and taking care of your home. I do a lot of decluttering and showing a lot of home tours. I hope you can stick around by clicking on that subscribe button. I would truly appreciate it. Let's continue the video, guys. As you can see, guys, my decor style is very minimal. I like the clean look. I don't like things that are too busy, and I like my home to show for itself and not be filled with a lot of things. Now, it may not be something everybody enjoys, but that's the route I decided to take, and we are very pleased in this house with this decor. But my other friends, you will see loads of decor that will give you joy and make your heart melt. And I hope you can go over there and show them some love, truly, guys. So will you be decorating this year for Christmas? If so, let me know what color you're going to be using down the comment below so that we can share that as well. As you will see in my videos that will be coming up, I'm going to be using lots of white and red. That's going to be my decor style this year, guys.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you, 'cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy.
Thank you so much, guys, for watching the entire video. I truly appreciate you coming here every week and watching the video. It's my pleasure filming it for you guys. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. But yes, go ahead and check out Tangie's and Linda's channel. I believe you're going to love them. If you're coming from Linda or Tangie's channel, my name is Gladys. I'm a mama of 3 little people. That's what I call them, my little people. And my channel is full of decluttering and clutter-free living and minimalism. If that's anything that interests you, go ahead and click on that subscribe button. But for all my existing subscribers who love watching my videos and new ones as well, please don't forget to click on the notification bell when you subscribe, because I have lots of subscribers that miss my videos and they don't see it when it's coming because there's no notification bell. So YouTube will not notify you and it will not be in your subscription video. Like, it's just complicated. It will be in your subscription video, but you have to go and dig and look instead of YouTube notifying you. So thank you so much again for coming. Bless you guys. I will see you on the next video. Bye, y'all.